On World Environment Day, a huge damage. 2020 World Environment Day met with tragedy as fuel spill in Arctic Ocean. Reasons behind. Recent climate change in Serbia causes the pillars that support thermoelectric power plant fuel tank to break. This caused about 20,000 of diesel oil to release into Ambernoya River on May 29th. The oil slowly deflates its way into Arctic Ocean about 12 kilometers, turning its surface into crimson red. What Russia done so far? This incident took place on Friday, but the notice was made through social media after a couple of days passed. Soon the President Vladimir Putin ordered and probe into the accident, issued a state of emergency. 3 criminal proceeding has been launched and the head of the power plant has been detained, report said. Extent of the damage. Environmentalist has said the river would be difficult to clean, given its shallow water, remote location as well as magnitude of distribution. Well, this is not the first time. The situation happened in 2016. A filtration dam flooded into river, turning the water waste and non-usable and the land considered to be a top 10 polluted. Currently, an environmental oversight agency of the Russia government pegged the overall damage at several dozen, perhaps hundreds of billions of ruble. We can consider ruble $1 equal to 68.49 ruble. What effect could it possibly have on life form? Heavy oil affects the respiratory of the marine mammals on the country. Light oil blends into water and absorbed into their organs. Along the Kara Sea, the majority of population depends on fish or milk for their food. With the contamination of sea, the livelihood is greatly affected with the whitefish. Fishing is forbidden in Obi and Taza Bay River in Russia. Russia Law and Order under 402 of Russia Minister for Agriculture 22 October 2014. Article 21. It is unlikely to receive welfare from the government, as this order says that fishing a whitefish is forbidden. We can destroy nature within a day, but it takes million years to form. So be friendly with the nature. That's it for today. Make sure like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for getting further notification. Bye.